Hello everyone, today we will let you know how to fill the Iceland visa. First of all, type VFS Iceland on Google, and visit the website, https://www.vfsglobal.com/Iceland/India/. Then select your purpose to visit in Iceland. Then scroll down and right side of the screen, click on the online application form. You can download visa form here. After download it and open with Adobe Acrobat or what PDF editor software you have. So here is your form. Let's start to fill the form. First of all, enter your family name or surname. Then enter your surname at birth if any, otherwise leave it blank. After that, write your first name according to your passport. And then enter your date of birth, place of birth and country of birth. Where you born, and then fill your current nationality, and nationality at birth. After that, enter your gender and then fill your marital status. Now come to in case of minor. In this column, fill your parents and guardian details, otherwise write N.A. or leave it. Now select your type of travel documents, and write your travel passport number. Now fill the date of issue of your passport, and the expiry date of the passport. Now fill passport issued by RPO. Then enter your home address and telephone number. Now if you're a resident in country other than your country origin, if you have, then click on yes, otherwise click on no, then write your current occupation. If you are employer or employee, fill your company address and telephone number, and if you are a student, then write your name and telephone number of the education establishment. Then on member state of destination, fill Iceland. After that, member state of first entry, again fill Iceland. And now select the number of entries you want. After that, enter your indented stay or transit. Indicate means how many days you want to stay in Iceland. Then if you have Schengen visa, or you visit the Schengen country in the last 3 years, then say yes, otherwise write no. On fingerprints collected previously, if you applied for Iceland visa, if yes, write yes, and otherwise write no. Then select your arrival date of Iceland, and intended date of Iceland. After that, fill the surname of your inviting person in Iceland, and in member state, if somebody is invited you, then write on their details. Otherwise, write your hotel name, hotel telephone number, and email address. Then fill the name of your inviting company name and telephone number in Iceland, if any. Now select means of support according to you. Then come to place from where you apply your visa and date of filling a visa, fill that. Now your visa application form is ready. You can submit it now.
Thank you for watching this video. We have hundreds of videos for different countries on visa application on our channel. Do you know, many people make big mistakes in filing their visa application forms, which leads to visa rejection. Don't worry, we are here to assist you. If any country visa application form you feel is not there, then don't worry, comment in the comment box. We'll create it. We have many other videos related to travel which will help the traveler. Don't wait, my friends. Hurry, subscribe our channel now and click the bell icon if you want the instant updates. And also share this video on your WhatsApp groups with your friends.